how to fix Instagram maps not working. So if you want to fix your Instagram maps not working, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and now go with apps. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps. Under manage apps, you need to go with search for Instagram. Once you've searched for Instagram, go with clear data, which will be in the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once you've done that, you need to go back and open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for Instagram. After searching your Instagram, you need to just go with update. If you have any updates, just go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply go and uninstall your Instagram. After uninstalling, again go and install it, and it will fix your problem. And then you will have your friend map feature. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.